Learn Hindi travel verbs fast. Book, reserve, cancel in.
Check in करना.
Welcome to Travel Chaos. Hey, you're about to survive a gloriously messy trip while learning Hindi. The good news: every disaster will teach you a useful word. Our hero planned the perfect vacation. Naturally, everything went wrong by breakfast. First, the hero tried to
Book करना.
a hotel room, then decided to sound extra official and
आरक्षित करना.
a table for dinner too. Very impressive, very organized, suspiciously organized. Then came the classic travel panic: should I
Check in करना.
now or after coffee? The answer is always before coffee spills on your passport. Later, our traveler would
Check out करना. रात बिताना.
in a tiny hotel, go
देखना.
a fort, and try very hard not to
चूकना.
the train. So yes, this trip has everything except calm. Your core words today. Let's load your travel survival kit first. Say each word out loud with me and imagine using it on a real trip. To book is
Book करना.
example, I want to
Book करना.
a hotel room. To reserve is
आरक्षित करना.
this sounds a bit more formal, like saving a seat or table. To cancel is
रद्द करना.
painful but useful when plans collapse dramatically. To check in is
Check in करना.
you do this at the airport or hotel. To check out is
Check out करना.
this is how you officially leave the hotel. To stay overnight is
रात बिताना.
literally to spend the night. To visit or inspect is
देखना.
in travel context, this can mean going to see a place. To miss is
चूकना.
this is the tragic verb of late people everywhere. Do not become the tragic verb. The booking battle. Now picture yourself on a phone, on a website, and somehow also in a hotel lobby at the same time. Travel planning is basically athletic confusion. You say, I want to book a room. In Hindi, you use
Book करना.
if you want to sound more formal, you can use
आरक्षित करना.
so a casual traveler says, I need to
Book करना.
a room. A very serious traveler with invisible glasses says, I would like to
आरक्षित करना.
a table. Both are useful. One sounds like vacation. The other sounds like paperwork with a tie. Mini memory trick.
Book करना.
Feels modern and everyday, while
आरक्षित करना.
feels more formal and official. Disaster at the reception desk. Time for a tiny scene. Listen like you're standing there with a suitcase, a phone charger, and emotional damage. Receptionist. Hello. Do you want to
Check in करना.
traveler? Yes, I already
Book करना.
the room. Or maybe I should say I
आरक्षित करना.
the room? Either way, please let me in before I become one with this suitcase. Receptionist. Wonderful. Tomorrow before noon, please.
Check out करना.
Traveler. Excellent. I will.
रात बिताना.
Here, sleep like a tired potato, and leave on time. When plans explode. You knew this part was coming. No trip is complete until one plan falls off a cliff. Sometimes you must
रद्द करना.
a booking. Maybe it rains. Maybe your train is gone. Maybe you accidentally booked a hotel 3 cities away because you were hungry and overconfident. In all these cases,
रद्द करना.
is your rescue word. Example, we need to
रद्द करना.
the trip. Another example, please.
रद्द करना.
The booking. Imagine a giant red stamp hitting your plans. That dramatic image helps the word stick. A night in a tiny hotel. Let's slow down for a moment. You're tired, the road is dark, and even your backpack looks exhausted. After a long journey, you may decide to
रात बिताना.
somewhere. This means to stay overnight. Imagine a small guest house, one squeaky fan, one heroic pillow, and one traveler saying, yes, I will.
रात बिताना.
Here. It is safer to.
रात बिताना.
Here, we want to.
रात बिताना.
At the hotel. The phrase is very visual.
रात.
Means night, and
बिताना.
means spend, so you are literally spending the night. Tourist mode activated. Now you've slept, your hair has made peace with the world, and it's time to go explore. To visit or see a place, use
देखना,
you want to.
देखना,
The museum, you want to.
देखना,
The fort, tourists come to.
देखना.
Famous places. This word often means simply to see, but in travel context it also works nicely for visiting sites. So if you go to Agra to
देखना,
the Taj Mahal, you are not just staring at it like a confused pigeon. You are visiting it. The Great Train Tragedy. And now, the dramatic soundtrack begins. Feet running, bag bouncing, train leaving, soul exiting body. To miss something, like a bus or train, use
चूकना,
example. I do not want to.
चूकना,
The train. If you leave late, you may.
चूकना.
The bus. This word carries that awful feeling of almost making it. Imagine your hand reaching forward and touching only air. That is
चूकना,
tiny life lesson. If you
चूकना.
the train, at least learn the vocabulary. Fast drill round. You're doing great. Now answer in your head, or out loud if nobody nearby scares easily. You want to reserve a table. Say.
आरक्षित करना,
You want to book a hotel room. Say.
बुक करना,
You need to cancel the trip. Say.
रद्द करना,
You arrive at the hotel desk. Say.
चेक इन करना,
You leave the hotel in the morning. Say.
चेक आउट करना,
You decide to stay for the night. Say.
रात बिताना,
You go to see a museum. Say.
देखना,
You are late and miss the bus. Say.
चूकना.
Mini quiz with zero shame. If you know the answer, celebrate. If you don't, congratulations, your brain is still warming up. Which Hindi phrase means check in?
चेक इन करना,
Which Hindi phrase means check out?
चेक आउट करना,
Which Hindi phrase means cancel?
रद्द करना,
Which word can mean visit or see a place?
देखना,
Which word means stay overnight?
रात बिताना,
Which word means to miss, like miss the train?
चूकना.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a whole set of Hindi travel verbs without getting stuck in an actual hotel lobby. Today you practiced
बुक करना, आरक्षित करना, रद्द करना, चेक इन करना, चेक आउट करना, रात बिताना, देखना,
and
चूकना.
thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing these words out loud, use them in your own travel sentences, and don't worry if it feels messy at first. You're learning, you're improving, and ideally, next time you travel, you won't.
चूकना.
The train.